Hello students, welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. In this session, we are going to discuss about the topic History of Accounting. Accounting was in existence even in the ancient times. In fact, accounting is as old as money itself. There are evidences to prove that accounting was in existence in China as early as in 2000 BC. The early development of accounting dates back to ancient Mesopotamia and is closely related to developments in writing, counting money, and auditing systems by the ancient Egyptians and Babylonians. There are adequate evidences to prove that accounting was practiced in India in the ancient period in the book called Arthashastra, which was written by Kautilya, who was a minister of Chandragupta Maurya around 4th century BC. The modern system of accounting is based on double entry principles, took place only after the year 1450. The increase in the volume of trade and commerce contributed to the development of modern accounting system. The modern accounting system was developed by Luca Pacioli from Italy, who wrote a book called Summa in the Italian language in 1494. Therefore, he is called as father of modern accounting. The book written by Luca Pacioli in Italian language was translated into English by Hugh Oldcastle in 1544. Now let us understand what bookkeeping, accountancy and accounting actually mean. First of all, bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a process of recording the business transactions in the books of accounts. It is the first stage of maintenance of books of account. Bookkeeping does not produce financial statements like the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Now let us understand the definition of bookkeeping. According to J.R. Batley-Boy, bookkeeping is defined as a science as well as an art of recording business transaction under appropriate accounts. Accountancy. Accountancy is a theory and practice of accounting. Accountancy is concerned not only with the recording of business transactions in the books of accounts, the preparation of financial statement and interpretation of financial statement, but also with the formulation of principles to be followed in carrying out the accounting work. What is the definition of accountancy? According to Eric Kohler, accountancy is a theory and practice of accounting. Thirdly, accounting. Accounting is a process of recording of business transactions in the books of accounts, then preparation of financial statements, finally analyzing and interpreting the financial statement. Definition of accounting. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants have defined accounting as the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof.